Bonjour Sharks. My name is Nikunj. I am the CEO and founder of Edge to Edge. I am requesting for only 75,000 for an equity of 15%. Data. We all process and consume data. Have you ever wondered where is all this data stored, processed, and computed? At a data center. Currently, these data centers are far from us, which brings the problem of delay. Second problem is compliance. This data is stored sometimes in another country, and due to EU GDPR rule, this data has to be within the country. To solve this problem, Edge to Edge creates, builds, and develops Edge Data Center. What is an Edge Data Center? Edge Data Center is a small, compact data center which is placed locally near to the user so that when you need this data, it is available to you at ultra high speed. It is safer because it does not travel far and it is there right next to you. And it is compliant as per GDPR rules. Because of Edge data centers, in the future, we will be able to see new applications such as augmented reality, virtual reality, connected driverless cars, remote surgeries, factories using robotics. We have 27 billion euro market in front of us, which we are addressing with Edge Data Center. Government organizations, they store data. Financial institutions, banks, IoT companies, mobile operators, sharks. Would you like to be part of a truly digital connected society and be part of next Microsoft, Google, or Amazon in Edge data center space? Grazie.
Hi. I was going to refer to Amazon, Microsoft, and these big players. How does your technology differ? Are you making this yourself? What's your profession?
So I am from Nokia, Ericsson, and Amdocs. I have been in telecommunications and data center space from last 20 years. First of all, we are not competing with them, we are collaborating with them. Data centers today, do you know how big they are? They can be as big as 5 times the size of a football field. There are huge data centers out there in the market. Edge data centers are going to complement them. They are going to be placed near to the users, near to the businesses, and they are going to communicate with big data centers.
But are you building these data centers yourself?
Yes, we will be building these data centers. We can build it for you in your premises. Second option is we can build it somewhere in Gozo or in Silema, and we can say we are going to rent it to you. Actually, there are 2 kinds of data. One is primary data and one is secondary data. So customer information, when you do a banking transaction from your credit card number, CVV code, it is the primary data. But your statement from your credit card 2 years ago is the secondary data. So that is stored in a data center. But your primary information, which you need at a click, is at Edge Data Center.
I would like to hit the ball immediately. So you're asking 75,000 for 15%. What you will be doing with these 75,000?
I am going to set up a small lab where I will show you the actual use cases of Edge Data Center.
You're planning to do this in Malta directly yourself, or you're going just to sell the idea or you're living in Malta?
I am currently based in Finland. I am based at Nokia's headquarters, where I work every day with Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and doing partnerships for Nokia networks.
This is a side business, not...
No, I will be working full-time. I think Malta has huge potential. Look at the people. Look at the location of the country.
This is just theoretical. You don't have anything yet.
Actually, we already have very strong customer traction, and I have already done some partnerships with Dell and HP.
In terms of hardware?
In terms of hardware, once even we start officially, it will not be Edge to Edge who produce this. The equipment, the servers will come from Dell, HP, and...
Okay.
So let's go a step earlier. You should have some form of blueprints, some sort of practical designs that you envisage that with this concept, you will manage through, because it would be
I thought otherwise.
on paper, theoretically.
Yes.
Do you have this concept?
Yes, absolutely. There are design blueprints, how edge data center look like, what kind of racks we can use, what partners we are going to
No,
work
I'm
with.
I'm referring to the speed, to the reduction in the
Yes.
processing time.
Yes.
That's what I'm referring
There are white papers.
not
yes.
the infrastructure.
Yes, absolutely.
I'm not into this industry, but my question is, why would one use edge to edge and not just get a server in their office directly from their service provider?
Right. That's a very good question. As I said, if you are running a business that is not your core business, why do you want to get into headache to manage a server or a data center? You want some other company to manage it for you. So what happens in a data center space? You outsource that. So edge to edge will manage it for you. It's a managed services contract.
From my end, Nick, I fully understand that these are primarily bespoke solutions, specific solutions. So for that reason, I would not be investing. But good luck.
Thank you.
After the explanation, obviously, I
Everything.
wish you all the luck, but it is not something which I would like to invest in.
For me, it's too much in its initial stage, and I know that there are many big players, and I know that there are many huge companies doing the same thing, so I don't really see anything different. So for me, I'm out.
This is still a bit premature, as my colleagues are saying. So maybe if you come over next year, having it a bit more set up and ask more money, it's not a problem, but I still can't understand, 75,000 is
Just-
petty money to put it up, so I won't proceed on this. Good luck.
Thank you, Michael.
Nick, I won't be investing either. So thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, Shaq.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Nick.
you.
Thank you for coming.
It was really good experience. I had a very good discussion with them. There was a lots of questions and answers, and I think the feedback is very constructive. I really like the discussion and the way they're looking at different areas. So it was a very good impression.